There is a huge difference between mark timing and running. You are losing energy in mark timing. You are losing time in mark timing. You are giving yourself in mark timing, and you are being tired in mark timing, but there is no progress in mark timing because there is no changing of geographical block in mark timing. But when you run, there is a huge change. When you run, you move from one place to the other one. When you get tired, you can see what you were running for. You can see why you wasted your time. You can see why you wasted your energy. You can see. I am praying now. If there is anything that you have been wasting your time on and there is no progress, I'm praying now in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. We decree there is change in Jesus' precious name. There is change in Jesus' precious name. If there can be change in the levels of corona, there can be change in the life of a person, in the life of a child of God. There has to be a change. It cannot